Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio watch model MTP VD013 AV. Let's get started. This is a very simple watch with a black dial and a green resin band. It's a good color combination. It has a sporty design, with water resistance up to 50 meters. The case width of this watch is 45 millimeters, and glass is mineral. The watch includes a date function. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. Now, let's open the watch to see how to change the battery and extract the crown and stem. You will need this tool to open the watch. Inside is a Miyota mechanism with an SR626 battery that can last up to 3 years. Press this to remove the stem. To close the watch, you'll need a watch press. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.